Hello everyone, it's Gilgameshik here again, and today I want to talk to you about the else clause of the if statement. So as you have seen in the last episode, this is how we use an if statement. But now, I would rather actually just rewrite it. So obviously, if you want to use the else, first thing is that you should have an if condition, because otherwise, what else is there if there's no condition, right? Because the else, it prints out anything else that's left over. So like any condition that is checked here, and all the so the first condition is checked over here in the if condition, and then once it's checked, and if it's false, it continues with the if statement, and then once it reaches else, it just executes. So let's see. So in this we already have an I which is equal to 1, so I'll just write I equal to 1. Let's just check if it's equal to 1, which it is. So for if statement, I'll just write and I'll write is 1, and here pretty much the same thing. Yeah, you usually want to just copy it, because think about it, like this line over here is exactly the same with this line over here, but the text is a little different. So usually just want to copy this line, just paste it over here and substitute the text. Pretty simple. So here I'll write is not 1. Okay, right now I is 1, so we are expecting to see the first line get printed inside the if condition. And you see, okay, so true is for this, false is for the second one. I will actually just do this and remove all the system printout so that nothing goes in our way, right? So I is checked to be 1, and since it is 1 in this case, I is equal to 1 over here, is 1 is printed, and it is over here. Now let's just run it once more to see just that one line printed. There you go. Okay, now when does the else statement execute? It basically executes in any other case. So 2, 3, 4, anything except 1 over here will execute the else statement. Let's give it a try. Is not 1. As you see, the else statement got executed. One thing you have to keep in mind in this is that either this line of code will execute or this line of code will execute. They will not execute at the same time. That is very important. And I think this concludes our short tutorial for today. Since using else is still pretty easy, since it just takes into account any other scenario except this one. And hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned for more videos.